and welcome to Lightbox. Lightbox is a digital platform that provides you with ebooks that allow you to go further than just reading. Here, you will be able to find interactive materials, interactive pages, complementary materials, and much more. Let's choose a book, click open, and see the magic happens. So here's the cover of Earth. For you to open the book, you just need to click open Lightbox, and you'll be able to see the menu of pages. Down here, as you can see, we have some resources that you can choose. If you click one, a page will highlight, and that page is showing you that they have the resource inside of it. So we came here for video, so let's start with it.
The Earth is a planet. That's a profound statement, and one that's not real.
We will have audio. Audio will be presented in every page because all the books in Lightbox can become audiobooks too. So,
Introduction to Earth. Earth is part of a system of worlds that comprise the Sun's family.
if you want to exercise what you're learning, you can come here to activities. You can answer the activities through your computer if you prefer. We will have transparency that will help you to present this page, or if you prefer, you can have an information at a time. We will have Google Maps because if you want to visit the place that the page is talking about, you can do it too. You just need to grab your payment and go to the place the page is talking about. For you to go back to the menu, you just click here, and now you have the resources. So we have also some complementary materials if you want to have it. Let's see firsthand, find the page that has it. Let's see how it looks. This is firsthand, a document complementing everything in the page, so a first-hand information. We will have the web links that will guide you to another website with only educational content related to what you're reading. We will have the documents too. Very similar, but going further. You will also have more. That is kind of a pop-up with more information in the paragraph you're reading. If you want to try again, you can have some quizzes to see if you understood everything in the book. So here we have the quizzes. Again, you can answer it through the computer. You have also some keywords to practice. If you want to only start the activities after you finish the entire book, not doing every page one activity, you can come to Activity Pack and you will have all the activities at one place. To know more about the curriculum of the book, you can come Curriculum and know the standard and much more. If you're using this book for a research, you can come to Citation and find the formats that you prefer. So we have APA, Chicago Manual of Style, and MLA. For title information, you can come Title Information and find everything here. To go back to the main page, you just need to click More Titles. And you can look for more books right now. That's it for Lightbox. Thank you for watching.